Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a kind of hard to find Henry Margu treasure called Nora. This is a brand new offering from Henry Margu's Naturally Yours professional line, so it is a completely hand-tied wig that also has a very nice lace front. The color on Nora is 33H, which is a very pretty, natural and highlighted dark auburn with a bit of brown in it. So it's a very pretty red that doesn't go too red. So Nora is not available online, but you can still order it from me. You just have to contact me directly to do so. So we consider this a special order, as are all of Henry Margu's Naturally Yours professional hand-tied wigs. We can still offer them to you, but you have to contact us directly to do so. This wig is very comfortable. It is very, very lightweight. It is a very sleek, beautiful, graduated bob. If you are a fan of the cap construction of their Supra wig, but you find that the shortness and the highly stacked nature of that particular wig don't seem to flatter you, because Supra is very rounded by comparison to Nora. Nora is longer and she isn't as stacked in the back. So this one will probably be a little bit more universally flattering on. There aren't any measurements available online, so I'm going to go ahead and take measurements for you on camera. So the front of the wig from the lace front down is approximately, let's see here, about 10 inches. So on me, as you can see, it hits right below the jawline, which I find very flattering. The sides, and I'm going to measure from the top down, so it may be slightly different than the manufacturer specs. It's about 11.5 inches, and the back, also from the top down, is another 11 inches. So it's a pretty uniform length all the way around. The nape on this one is relatively short since the overall length is 11 inches. So the nape on this one is about 3.5 to 4 inches. So here is Nora from the side. It's very sleek, very straight, very natural looking bob. And here's the back. So as you can see, Nora does have a lace front, and you can trim the lace front on this. They give you a little bit of space, as you can see here, about 1/4 inch that you can trim all the way up to the hairline. And here is where that seam is between the hairline and the monotop. I think that they do a very, very good job of blending in the monotop with the lace front, because some lines you get like a noticeable line right here where the two meet, and you don't get that so much here with the Henry Margu hand-tied monotop and their lace fronts. It's a pretty seamless transition between the two. It's very well done. Like I said, the seaming is very, very good on their hand-tied products. It's stretchy, but I wouldn't say this is as stretchy as some of the other lines I carry. The Estetica hand-tied wigs, for instance, they stretch a lot. And then you have very nice, thick bands of polyurethane here on the ear tab, so you can put adhesive there if you like. We do have an extended felt nape that is very soft and very comfortable. So all in all, I think this is a beautifully made wig. It does have adjusters, but because this is my wig and I own it, I actually cut the adjuster off to give a little bit more stretch here to the wig. And it's really easy. You see where it connects here to the ear tab? I basically just went snip, snip right there. You can kind of see where the remnants of that are. And in snipping it there and snipping it down here at the base where the nape meets that little band of elastic, I freed up about 1 inch on the perimeter all the way around by doing that on both sides. So, just word of the wise, the circumference on most of these Henry Margu hand-tied wigs is around 22 inches right out of the box. I get people who send me emails asking me if 22 inches is a large head size. It is not. That is textbook average. So if you have a 22-inch circumference, the world is your oyster as far as wigs are concerned. But you can get up to 23.5 inches from this by just cutting that adjuster off. And that's how I know it fits me. So I'm going to go ahead and put Nora back on. I do want to show you this color really quickly because it's so pretty. The 33H has a typical 33, which is a dark auburn brown, kind of like a natural sort of chestnutty brown color. And then in with that, you get a little bit of a lighter auburn, as well as a little bit of a medium golden brown. So the two of those together with that 33 just make it a very dynamic, very pretty, and surprisingly natural color given how highlighted it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put Nora back on for you now. She's quite stretchy now that I've taken out those adjusters. I'm just gonna kind of finger comb her into place a little bit. But I bought this one for myself as a birthday present, along with an Ava, because I was so in love with Ava, I bought myself one of those for my birthday as well in 6H. They're both fabulous, amazing wigs. So there you have it. This has been the Nora by Henry Margu in the color 33H. And again, if you're interested in Nora or any of the other wigs from the Naturally Yours professional line of hand-tied wigs by Henry Margu, please feel free to contact me directly. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.